Hello, mabuhay. This is Edna E. Miranda, a 100 manager from Cagayan de Oro City. This is my 6th video and still I'm so grateful with MMM. Last November 8th, I provided help in the amount of 25,000 pesos. On November 10th, I get help in the amount of 8,600. And on November 13th, I get help another 17,300. Today, November 15, I get the full amount 17,300. Thank you, MMM. Thank you to the whole community. Thank you to all my providers. Thank you, Sir Sergio Mavrudi. Thank you very much and God bless us all.